Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have an amazing video for you. I'm doing my very first box swap. Like, I'm so excited. This baby arrived and I am just dying to get inside. So, but before I do that, let me tell you what's happening. So I reached out to Geeking Out With MellyMel. Melissa is the girl's name, and asked her if she would be interested in doing a winter box swap with me. So she graciously agreed, and it was fun, kind of like brainstorming about ideas and trying to be a little bit creative and put a little like Disney magic in it. So we came up with Disney Winter Care Package Box Swap. The longest name ever, yes, I know, but it fits perfectly for this box swap. So if you don't know Melissa, again, her YouTube channel is Geeking Out With MellyMel. I'll have her information down below. And of course, if you want to see what I sent her, be sure to head over to her channel and watch that video. It's pretty good. But Melissa is just the sweetest girl, so kind, so fun, just amazing personality, and she collects all sorts of Disney stuff. She has such an impressive collection of Disney pins, Disney keys, and Funko Pop, so be sure to definitely check her out. She's just amazing. Anyways, without further ado, let me get into this box because I've been dying. And by the way, this is just like look at her packing skills, like wrapping skills. This is still just like the outside of the box. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. Okay, I got my Walmart scissors and let's get started. Oh my gosh. Oh, can I just say, like, I made a mess. I'm sorry, Melissa. I covered up all of our information, but the details, like she put the stickers here. Oh my gosh, just amazing. Thank you, Melissa. All right, let me try to open this. And Melissa did say that she uses a lot of tape, and that's like her signature packing. I can just be honest and tell you that no one's getting into this box. Like, no one's gonna be like, let me open this box real quick and take something out. Nope, not happening. More tape. So I got the first part open, and then there's more tape. Oh my god, these Mickey ears, I got them a couple of years ago. They feel so big because every time I move my head, like, they're gonna fall off. So sorry if I lose my ears in the middle of this video. Okay, all right, so this is what I see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Melissa, before I even get into this box, like, thank you from the bottom of my heart for doing this fun holiday box swap with me. All right, I do see a card. Oh, look at all of this stuff. We can clean later, right? La 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 la. All right. Oh, I know Melissa's favorite color. Well, at least one of her favorite colors. I think it's pink and purple, and this is kind of like light purple. All right, let me open the card. Okay. Oh my goodness. How beautiful is this card? Oh my goodness, can you guys see that? Delivering holiday cheer. And I'm sorry, I'm probably gonna be saying oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Oops, I almost lost my ears again, like 5,000 times. So the card reads, Merry Christmas, and then Melissa wrote December 2020, and it says, Anna, hey girl, because we always say hey girl, hey girl. I'm so happy we've gotten to know each other this year. I had fun putting together this box of goodies for you. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. XOXO Mel. Oh, Melissa, thank you so much. Again, so beautiful. What a beautiful card. Okay. All right. Okay. So I have, let me try to get this out of the way. My table is not very big. All right, so I have the first item here, and I'm so excited. I love ripping the paper, but at the same time I don't, because it's just like, I don't want to damage anything. Oh my gosh. Ah! It's ears. Okay. Let me cut this. Wow, the wrapping is impressive. Like all this serious wrapping. I think I know what this is. I think I know which one these are. Melissa. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. They're so beautiful. I love these blues and these diamonds, stones. Wow. And this is from Disneyland, and this was the 65 years of magic. Oh my gosh, Melissa, you are spoiling me. These are beautiful. All right, let me try them on real quick. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Wow. Like I'm really like, I'm admiring them. They're so beautiful. All right, don't mind the tags. Okay. Ooh. Look how beautiful they are. Melissa, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. Okay, now I think I need to go to Disney for New Year's and wear this. But I'm gonna wear this. It doesn't even have to be New Year's. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And they fit good. They fit much better than these. These are very loose. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Thank you. All right, let me put these guys back on. Fell out? No. Okay, got it. All right, so this is the next little baggie. Oh my goodness, Melissa. These are so cute. And you know, I was looking at these and I was like, I want to get a pair for myself. So this is like an ornament and it has Disney socks inside. Oh, this is just cute. This was on my list of things that I needed to get, because then I was also going to use this as an ornament. Oh, let me see if I can open this up real quick. Oh, how cute. Sorry, my kids are in the back. Thank you. Oh my god, these are perfect. These are just perfect. Okay. I love this. I love the ornament too. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Okay. All right. On to the next. Oh my gosh. Girl, you just like went above and beyond. Like I can't. Oh my god. I love this. We're just gonna make a mess. It's the holiday season. And this is exactly what I need, and I actually love this so much. I used it in the past and I always love it. And funny, you have to go see Melissa's video with the box that I sent her, but I absolutely love this. And sorry, my kids were screaming. So this is a body wash. This is like amazing. I love it. Just gonna focus. And then there's hand soap and lotion. This I know this scent. This smells so good. This is amazing. Thank you. Ah! Again, guys, I'm very sorry. My kids are making so much noise. Okay, so this is the next bundle of 3 little things. And open the first one. It's like opening a mystery box. Like, what's inside? Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, here we go. Oh, Ariel. Oh my gosh, so cute. Melissa, you went above and beyond. Above and beyond. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Ariel is my girl. Love her. Love her. These are packaged so well. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is so cute. I love this one. Oh my gosh. I don't know too much about pins, but I feel like this is the new one. I feel like this is for this year. I might be wrong. But regardless, it's beautiful. Oh my god. I gotta cut this. Oh no, I got it. Okay. Oh, look at that! This is so pretty. This is so cute. I don't even know where she gets all of these beautiful pins. Like, that's why I'm saying, guys, like, if you want to know everything and anything about pins, Melissa, Geeking Out With MellyMel, is your girl. It's your girl, because these pins are just so gorgeous. This Ariel one, oh my gosh, Melissa, thank you. Sorry, the light is changing. I think the sun went down. It gets dark so fast. Okay, wait a minute. So this is the next box. Oh my gosh, this girl. This girl. Melissa. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is my first Funko Pop. Well, my second one. If you've been watching my videos, you know we got one for my kid and it retired into my office space. But this is like my first official one. Oh my god, he's just so cute. Oh, and I guess this is like the ones that you can get. I know nothing about Funko Pop, so Melissa's my girl to go look and like learn about them because I know nothing. Okay. Alright. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. Alright. Another beautiful packaging. Melissa, I need to take you out for dinner. You're too good. This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Can you guys see it? It's a fleece throw, so it's like a mini blanket. Oh my goodness. I love these girls, but this guy, oh, I like him. He's cute. I like him a lot, and this feels so cozy. So warm. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Melissa, I'm just like blown away. You have like, I'm looking at everything here. You spoiled me, girl. You really, really spoiled me. I'm in love with every single thing. Oh my god, and I think I missed one thing. I missed one thing. This, you know what, oh my gosh, so I was at the store not too long ago and I was looking at these little ones because I was like, you know, now it's gonna be cold and my hands are gonna be more dry, and I looked at these little guys, but then my kids distracted me and we walked away. So this is just like the perfect travel size, and of course it smells amazing. Oh my god, Melissa, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this. This was like Christmas morning, just absolutely amazing. I'm sorry, I'm just like looking over things to make sure that I didn't miss anything, because with my 2 kids, my head sometimes is like all over the place. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Melissa, again, thank you so much. I love everything. You went above and beyond for me, and I really appreciate our friendship. And happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thank you so much again for doing this with me. And you guys, be sure to head over to Melissa's channel, Geeking Out with MellyMel. I'll put it right over here and down in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to her channel, give her a big thumbs up that I sent you there, and make sure you watch her box swap video and to see what I sent her. Anyways, happy holidays, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.